Welcome to the video. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Linux distributions, a universe filled with power, flexibility, and innovation. We'll explore some common misconceptions about Linux distros, debunk these myths, and give you a clearer understanding of this incredible ecosystem. Linux distributions, or distros, have gained immense popularity over the years, from powering servers and supercomputers to being a reliable desktop operating system. Linux is everywhere. Yet, despite its growing user base, many myths and misunderstandings surround Linux, often making it seem intimidating or unsuitable for certain tasks. Let's break those barriers and shine a light on the truth. Common Linux distro myths. Let's tackle some of the most widespread myths about Linux distros. Myth 1. Linux is too difficult to use. One of the biggest misconceptions is that Linux is only for tech-savvy users or developers. While that might have been partially true decades ago, modern Linux distros are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Desktop environments like GNOME, KDE Plasma, and Cinnamon provide intuitive interfaces that are comparable to Windows and macOS. Distros like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Zorin OS are specifically tailored for beginners, offering straightforward installation processes, easy access to software, and robust support communities. With these advancements, Linux is now accessible to anyone, regardless of technical expertise. Myth 2. Linux is not secure. Contrary to this myth, Linux is renowned for its security. Its open-source nature means that vulnerabilities are quickly identified and patched by a global community of developers. Most Linux distros also have strong built-in security features, such as mandatory user permissions and a minimal attack surface. Additionally, Linux receives constant security updates, making it one of the safest operating systems for both personal and professional use. In fact, many organizations and governments rely on Linux for its unparalleled security. Myth 3. Linux is not good for gaming. The gaming landscape on Linux has drastically improved in recent years. With tools like Steam Play and Proton, many Windows-exclusive games now run seamlessly on Linux. Popular titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring are playable on Linux systems thanks to these advancements. Moreover, Linux-native games and the rise of open-source game engines have added to its gaming appeal. Distros like Pop_OS and Fedora even come with pre-configured settings to optimize gaming performance. So, if you're a gamer, Linux has plenty to offer. The best Linux distros for different needs. Finding the right Linux distro can seem overwhelming, but it's all about aligning your needs with what each distro offers. Here's a quick breakdown. Beginner-friendly distros, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Zorin OS are great for newcomers due to their simplicity and excellent documentation. For developers, Debian, Fedora, and Arch Linux are favored by developers for their stability, cutting-edge software, and extensive customization options. For power users, distros like Arch Linux, Gentoo, and Slackware provide unparalleled control and customization for advanced users. For gaming, Pop_OS and Manjaro offer optimized performance and gaming support out of the box, showcasing Linux distros in action. Now, let's take a closer look at some Linux distros and their standout features. Ubuntu. Known for its ease of use and massive community support, Ubuntu is a versatile distro suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Linux Mint. With its Windows-like interface, Mint is perfect for users transitioning from other operating systems. Pop_OS. Designed by System76, this distro is a favorite among gamers and professionals for its performance and gaming features. Debian. Renowned for its stability, Debian is a solid choice for servers and developers. Each of these distros caters to specific needs, proving that there's a Linux distribution for everyone. Using visuals and demos, you can see how seamless and user-friendly these distros are in real-world applications. From gaming to productivity to software development, Linux has it all. Conclusion: debunking the myths and encouraging exploration. We've debunked some of the most common myths about Linux distributions and highlighted the incredible versatility and power they offer. Linux is not only user-friendly, but also secure and capable of handling tasks ranging from gaming to professional development. If you've been hesitant to try Linux, now is the time to take the leap. Explore a beginner-friendly distro like Ubuntu or Linux Mint, and experience the freedom and flexibility that Linux provides. To help you get started, check out the links in the description for resources, guides, and downloads. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone curious about Linux. Let's break the myths and spread the truth about Linux distributions together.